Are you looking for the perfect blend of performance and style? Today we're diving deep into the AULA F75 Pro, a wireless mechanical keyboard that's turning heads. With its compact 75% layout and sleek aesthetic, it promises to be the ultimate upgrade for gamers and professionals alike. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's look at the build. These side-printed PBT keycaps offer a clean, minimalist look while ensuring the legends never fade, even after years of intense typing sessions. One of the standout features is this multifunction knob. It gives you tactile control over your volume and lighting effects with just a quick turn or press. Connectivity is seamless. Whether you prefer the lag-free 2.4 GHz dongle, stable Bluetooth 5.0, or a reliable USB-C wired connection, this keyboard has you covered for every scenario. Under the hood, we have the Pre-Lubed Reaper switches. These are designed for a smooth, linear feel that makes every keystroke feel premium and effortless. But how does it sound? Listen to the satisfying, creamy thwack of these switches. The gasket mount design truly elevates the typing experience to a whole new level. For enthusiasts, the Hot-Swappable PCB means you can easily swap out switches without soldering. Customize your typing feel whenever you want with total ease. The RGB lighting is vibrant and fully customizable, with various dynamic effects. It creates an immersive atmosphere that perfectly complements any desk setup, especially in low-light environments. Switching between your laptop and desktop is faster than ever. The dedicated wireless toggle allows for multi-device multitasking without any cables getting in your way. The 75% layout is the sweet spot. It retains essential function keys while saving precious desk space for your mouse movements during intense gaming sessions or creative work. In conclusion, the AULA F75 Pro is a powerhouse of features, offering incredible value. It's truly a top-tier choice for any mechanical keyboard lover looking for quality. Upgrade your setup today and experience the difference. Check the product link in the description for more details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.